Hello, and welcome to Palmie Colors. Today, we're going to draw a cute toothbrush step by step. Then, we'll color it with bright and beautiful colors. And finally, Palmie will use magic to bring it into the real world.
Brush, brush, brush like a happy train, keeping the sugar out of my lane. Up to the sky and down to the floor, cleaning my smile and I want some more. Oh, shine, shine like a morning star, best little smile near and far.
Palmie power! Starry magic! Brushing your teeth every day helps keep them clean and strong. Kids should brush their teeth every morning and every night. A toothbrush and toothpaste help keep your smile bright and healthy. Palmie power! Starry magic! Now it's time to color this beautiful drawing. Yellow. Smile makes every day feel happy and fresh. Pink.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth now. Make them sparkle, oh wow. Brush them high and brush them low. Watch your happy smile just grow. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Yeah! Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Yeah! Brush, brush, sparkly clean.
Now it's time to bring the toothbrush and toothpaste into the real world.
Up,
Palmie
down,
power!
circle
Starry
round.
magic!
The happy tooth song is the best in town. Brush, brush, shine so true. My teeth are white and yours are too.
Make sure to watch our next video too.